Half page. What's this strange ad? Spider. Life is too short. We should explore this. Meet me one roof over from last. The cat.
The cat?
Life is too short. We should explore this.
What I should do is meet her and just tell her that stealing is wrong. I mean, yeah, sure. Meeting her just to talk is okay. And you know what? I'm insulted she would try a trap that is this lame. So, yeah, I'm just showing up to tell her that I am totally smart enough not to fall into her lame trap. I am so much smarter. Well, this is something you don't see every day.
Oh, hey, you came. I'm so glad. I brought some wine and cheese.
You robbed a guy's office.
Not a nice guy's office.
And then beat the snot out of me.
Knee-jerk reaction.
Is this some kind of joke? This has got to be.
I know I sound nuts. I didn't. I just didn't know how else to do this, though. So, are you married?
No, yes. Yes.
Are you horribly disfigured under there?
Horribly? No.
Hi.
Well, I guess I can stay for a minute.
Cheers.
Uh-oh.
What are you? Ah! Ah!
Oh, come on!
Hi! Ha! 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 Ah!
Nuts! What do I do?
Hi!
This black cat is a cat burglar, a thief, but this other one, who knows who she is or what she is doing here? I've picked the wrong side before. What do I do?
Gah!
Oh, hey, cat fight.
Die!
Give back what you stole.
Someone should stop this.
Oof!
Let me take care of... Get off me! Get off!
Oh! Hey, he!
I'll take care of it!
Ugh! Ha!
Hey!
Ha!
Stop! Ow!
Ha!
Ah! Come on!
Ha!
Ugh!
Oh!
Just...
Ugh!
Will you just give me a second? Ah! What is wrong with... Oof! Ugh! Well, I'm not dead, so that's something. This is just... First off, I got my butt kicked by a girl. I know it really shouldn't matter that it was a girl, but it just happened, and it does. That was... ow. Well, that's just great. Now I miss them. I need professional help. Oh, this is nice. Sleepy time is nice.